Formulated Materials believes that safety should be the #1 priority on any job site. Please take the time to understand and follow any OSHA or state guidelines that relate to the work at hand. Formulated Materials waterproofing methodology requires flood testing 100% of balconies waterproofed. Even the best trained installers are human, and this simple procedure ensures that every balcony is delivered without leaks. Tools required include formulated flood test tape, sealant, and a putty knife. Cover each sealed nail head with a piece of the flood test tape to ensure that they seal completely and rough edges do not pierce the tape during the application process. The tape can be ripped easily by hand into small squares for this purpose. Start application of the tape at one end of the balcony, overlapping any sealant if present by at least 1/2 of an inch. Apply and smooth the tape along the length of the T-bar, removing the backer as you go. The tape should overlap about 3/4 to 1 inch on the T-bar. Care should be taken to prevent piercing the tape. If necessary, a small piece of the tape can be used to repair any punctures. Continue the application until the tape reaches the next termination. If sealant is present on the deck, overlap the sealant by at least 1/2 of an inch. If necessary, apply a 3/8 inch bead of approved sealant at each end of the tape termination, extending at least 2 inches past the existing seal. Smooth this bead of sealant with a finger or tool to ensure a solid seal at the edges of the tape. Apply water for the flood test, allowing the balcony to remain filled overnight. With the balcony inspected and confirmed to be free of leaks the next day, the tape can be easily cut with minimal pressure using a dull tool to release the water through the weep system. Following these directions should provide a simple, reliable method to ensure each balcony is properly sealed for water testing.